how do you manage top performer employees or highly skilled ones? Maraming mga managers ang nag-i-struggle, ano? Lalo na sa mga Filipino companies, marami nag struggle sa pagma-manage ng high performers, ah, because they get intimidated, ano? Kapagka yung supervisor o yung manager ay kulang sa self-confidence, they tend to ano, eh, 'no, they tend to get or to feel threatened by high-performing individuals. Kasi yung mga high performers or highly skilled ones, they have expectations, eh. Siyempre, 'di ba? Kapagka high performer kasi, ibig sabihin nun may motivation yon to, hit or exceed targets, and they get frustrated kapagka merong mga bagay that stops them from hitting their target. So, you expect your high performers to talk about it, 'no? Pupunta sila sa supervisor nila at manager nila at, magsasalita sila tungkol dun sa mga issues that hinder performance. And sometimes, yung mga supervisors, managers, na-intimidate sila, no? Feeling nila pinakikialaman sila or nagmamarunong, yung mga tao. So, uh, the shortest answer I can provide on the question how to manage top performers or skilled ones. One, listen to them. Pakinggan ninyo yung mga concerns nila. Pangalawa is to empower them. One of the worst things that you can do for high performers or highly skilled individuals is to micromanage them. You don't want to micromanage them. So yun po yung sagot ko doon. Medyo mahaba-haba.